Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can back up your server. So this is a physical server and I'm going to get the backup from this server and turn this server to a virtual machine in Hyper-V. So for this case I have a Synology and I already set up the active backup business. If you don't know how to do that, please check my video in my channel. I already create a tutorial for that. So for this case, I need to start to backup. I will go and download the application for Synology. Okay, in desktop utility, you can find the download. Okay, now my software is ready and I need to connect my server to the Synology. I will enter the information of my Synology. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, my server is connected to my Synology as you can see. I'm going back to my active backup business software in the PC section. This is my server and there is a task automatically created in the task list. So as you can see, this is a task list and it's my device. We can go to the settings here in the template. That's the name of the template already assigned to my computer, so it can be modified from here. So it's set to entire device, enable data transfer compression, schedule, retention policies. So everything can be changed here, apply to which user. So everything is here. And I'm going back here and start to backing up my server. Right click or you can just press here. So size of my server is around 500 gig. So it should take a while. I will stop the video and after this backup was completed, I will come back. Okay, I'm back and my server backup is successfully. I'm going back to my file station. Actually, the source of the destination of the backups are here. When I go to edit, it's defined in this template, PC backup. I can go to the settings in the template, PC backup, and share folder. So it creates a share folder I already created. It's in file station. You can go here and test. As you can see, there is two image file are created in this directory, and I need to restore this server. How to restore it? I'm going back to Active Backup Business, PC, and click here, Restore. How do you want to restore it? Entire device. Okay, we need to create an ISO file and load that ISO file in a new server, in a new physical server, or in our new virtual machine. So when I click on it, also it has a one PDF file. It will guide you step by step. But if you just follow my video, you don't need to read anything on that. Okay, so it start to downloading the Media Restore Creator. Now I just export it here, extract, and launch the application. This application, you can burn it to an image to the USB, or you can create an ISO file and then use that ISO file and burn it later. So I will put my ISO file here. I create something as a ISO and I will put it in these directories. Right? It's going to download Windows ADK files, assessment and deployment kit. So you need to download it. Also, it will ask you now where you want to save it. I can put it somewhere here in my download. Create another folder, like I call it ADK or whatever you want. I will choose first one, install the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit on this computer. So that's the install path. And click next. Accept and install. So it take a while, maybe some minutes, to download these files. After the download finish, I will resume the training. Okay, my deployment kit was downloaded and finished. Now I need to create my ISO file. Now I click on create. It will going to be created here before I provide this directory. So also this one take a while. I will stop the video and come back when finished. Now the ISO image is created. I will go back here and that's my image. Now I will open my Hyper-V and I need to create a new virtual machine. Okay, click on the Hyper-V and new virtual machine. I will call it test generation 2, 4 gig memory, so it should be connected to my Synology drive. So I will assign the vSwitch, attach the virtual hard disk later because I want to create a dynamic hard drive. And now I'll create a hard disk for it, the VHDX one, and this is the dynamic size. And I will call it test and put it here in the D drive. Size, because my hard drive is 500, I will make it 600 gig. Next, finish. Now I need to assign that hard disk to this virtual machine. because this is more than a scope of my training. It's not virtual Hyper-V training, so I'm doing very fast. So I go here, iSCSI, and add a hard drive, browse, and this is my virtual hard disk. Apply. I need to add a DVD drive and attach that ISO image I created. So I will add it here, choose the image file, and go to my document and choose the Synology. And now I need to go here in this menu, and this is the order of the boot. Okay, I will move this one up and move this one up. So the first boot is my DVD drive in order to boot it from my DVD. Click OK. Now I will start my virtual machine. Okay, I will hit enter to load the DVD. Okay, this is what my Synology active backup for business recovery wizard is look like. Click next. So I need to enter my IP address of my Synology. So this device need to connect to my Synology, and the vSwitch we define should be the same network. Again, because that's is out of my scope of training, I don't want to go detail of the Hyper-V, but you need to define a vSwitch to be able to reach the server, or sorry, by Hyper-V. My Synology. Okay, as you can see, this is the back of my hard disk. Device name host02, which is this computer. That's the name of the backup. This is for today. I will hit next. Okay, let me try this one. Next. Okay. It takes a little bit time because the size of the drive is 476. I will pause the video and resume it when it's finished. Okay, restoration is completed. I will hit finish and restart the virtual machine. So the virtual machine should be exactly same as what I have here in this desktop. Okay, now as you can see, I turn my physical server to a virtual machine. So I hope you learned something from this video, and please subscribe to my channel to support me.